Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel. My name is Jessica of Miss More Style, and today I am doing another video with Italo jewelry. They just sent me another shipment of beautiful pieces to share with you all. So if you want to hear my thoughts on Italo jewelry, check out some of their gorgeous pieces that they have and sort of learn more about the company and my honest thoughts on them, then just keep on watching. Italo jewelry. If you guys have been around for a little while, you might remember that I did a video about Italo jewelry a couple months back. If you happen to miss that, I will link that down in the description box so that you can go check that one out after you've checked this video out if you're curious about Italo jewelry, maybe thinking about making a purchase there. But this is my second video with them, and this video is sponsored, so thank you so much Italo jewelry for sponsoring this video. Of course, you all know I will give my honest opinions even though it is sponsored. So with that being said, we're going to get right into this, but of course before we do, make sure that if you are new here that you go ahead and hit that red subscribe button and give this video a thumbs up if you found it helpful, entertaining. It really helps me out a whole lot when you guys do that. Really appreciate it. Just get into this review and haul. So what is Italo jewelry? Italo jewelry is a website where you can buy beautiful quality jewelry at just most affordable prices. Now, the pieces that Italo sells are not diamonds. They are predominantly made with white sapphires, which are very beautiful, brilliant stone. These are not cubic zirconia. I have a couple other white sapphire pieces in my collection before I started working with Italo. They make their pieces with sterling silver, and it's all nickel free. It's high quality, often gold or rose gold plated. A little bit about Italo jewelry. Like I said, they sell jewelry. They have all kinds of rings, particularly a ton of different wedding band sets, but they also have like cocktail rings. They have more simple rings. They've got rings, they have wedding rings for men. They also have men's bands. They have beautiful necklaces, some bracelets, earrings, so they have the whole gamut. If you're looking to maybe treat someone in your life but you just don't have the budget for fine diamond jewelry, then this is a great option, and their prices are so low. They're really already at a discount, but if you guys want, you can use my code, and I highly suggest you do because you get to save 50% off your order. So I will put that code right down here for you so you can go ahead and use that. I'll also put it in the description box so you can save even more money off of their extremely affordable prices. They have outstanding handcrafted quality, and it's cheaper to buy Italo jewelry because they basically cut out the middleman, and so you're buying directly from the manufacturer, which makes it a bit more affordable. Your satisfaction is of utmost importance to them, so they offer a 60-day return policy. They have worldwide free shipping, and they have a year warranty on your pieces, so should anything happen, you have a year to work with them to rectify your situation, which is fantastic. But having had a couple of these pieces for some time and having worn them actually for some time, I can attest now to the quality and how they stand up. I have not had any of these turn my fingers green or anything like that, and I have pretty sensitive skin that way, so that is a great sign. For instance, this ring that I'm wearing right here is one of my previous video, and I wear it pretty often on not a daily basis, but several times a week, and I've worn this in quite a few videos. I had some questions about it. This one is from Italo, and I love it so much. It does not turn my finger green, and it is still so stunning and so beautiful. I also have on a tennis bracelet that I got from them last time. I still love it. It's holding up fantastically, and it still shines so brilliantly. I absolutely adore this piece. I also have the two rings from last time. There they are, still gorgeous, still wear them, and they are really holding up extremely well. Let's just get into the beautiful goodies that I got this time. So here is their packaging, what it looks like when you receive your box. It's so beautiful. This is very high quality white box with their gold embossed logo on it, this beautiful blue ribbon, and it's got a sort of like magnetic closure. You open it up, and here's the inside. So they come with all of these different little pieces of information in here. This is new since the pandemic hit. It's sort of like a certification of how they disinfected everything, what sort of protective gear the people that packaged it were wearing. So it's just a little extra security, I guess. Just like information on how to return or exchange your product. There's a certificate for the 925 sterling silver to give that authenticity, and just some tips and tricks for maintaining the beauty and care of your pieces, as well as a little silver polishing cloth, which they have in here for you to polish your pieces, which is fantastic. Here's the first box. I'm going to open it up. And they've got these beautiful blue jewelry boxes inside. But let's just start with this one, shall we? So here is the jewelry box. So beautiful and stunning. I'm going to open it up. And this is the first piece in here. This one is the Rose Gold Classic Pear Engagement Ring, and it retails for $141. And the cut is a 4.5 carat cut. Of course, this is a white sapphire. It has all these small, tiny white sapphires around the band. I love this pear-shaped cut. It's so beautiful. And I think this would be a beautiful ring, like for if you're getting dressed up, you're going out on the town. And I love rose gold. I think it looks really great with my skin tone. Now, I said in my previous Italo video that I do like to get fake wedding jewelry for when I do travel, because sometimes I don't feel super secure about traveling with my real wedding set. That's another reason, or another option that makes Italo a great sort of place to look, is if you are the same, if you travel a lot, sometimes you want to leave your real wedding jewelry at home safe and sound, but you still want to wear something. This is a great thing to look into. Also, if you're pregnant, your fingers swell up, you can't necessarily wear your real wedding jewelry, you know, during some of your pregnancy. This is also a great option if you still want something beautiful to wear. You can buy it in a little bit bigger size so it will fit you. And then when you're done with your pregnancy, you could maybe wear it on your index finger or one of your bigger fingers and still get amazing use out of it. But I love this. It's so beautiful. Let's put it on. It's so stunning. I think it fits really, really well. And it just looks beautiful on its own. It's so brilliantly cut. Like whenever I put it on, I just like want to stare at it. And I love the pear shape. I think it's very like right now it's kind of trendy, but I think it also helps like elongate your fingers. And oh, this is so pretty. I just love it. It's so blingy. It's just so beautiful. So piece number one, I think we'll leave it on. To go with this ring, I actually went ahead and I got a set. So I'm going to do that one next with you all. So here's the next one. And this is the Rose Gold V Design Round Wedding Band. And I absolutely love bands like this to stack with your rings. I really want a silver one eventually that maybe is a little bit smaller and daintier for my actual wedding set. But I just love this design. I've been obsessed with this for a while. So when I saw this on Italo's website, I was like, I have to get the pear ring with the V-cut ring to go with it. Just take a look at how beautifully they go together. I'm just gonna pop this on. Like, look at that. Can you even? I'm just obsessed. Like, wow. That is so, it looks so unique. It kind of looks vintage. I don't really like your sort of basic jewelry, and so I just think the detailing in just that little wedding band is so beautiful. And that's what really makes Italo jewelry quite special, is for the price. Like when it arrives and you just look at how well made and the small details that go into the pieces, it really makes them special and so stunning. And it is 1.98 carats. So together, that is just like a high impact, dazzling combination. Like it just shines. I just want to stare at my hand all day. Gorgeous. I'm gonna leave that one on too. Okay, my next one is not crazy blingy, but I'm so excited about it. I don't know about you, but I'm a huge fan of the show Sex and the City, especially Carrie Bradshaw, Sarah Jessica Parker. Her whole style and everything I just love. And ever since I watched that show, you know, she wears that necklace, her name necklace that says Carrie. And so I always wanted to get a good name necklace. I had one for a while, but it was cheap. And so it quickly just tarnished and looked like crap. I had to throw it away. So when I saw that Italo had name jewelry, I was like, yes, sign me up. So my next one is personalized, and it is my Jessica name necklace. Now this retails for $82.99. It is sterling silver, but it is gold plated, and it has an 18-inch chain. Now this would make a fantastic gift for anybody in your life, but it also would make a fantastic treat for yourself. A name necklace, I don't know about you, but I'm gonna wear this. I wore my old one all the time, and that's why it got kind of tarnished. So I knew that like having a nice one, investing in jewelry that you wear every day, and having the materials that it's made out of be a little bit better is only going to serve you in the long run, because yes, it's a little bit more expensive up front, but you'll get your use out of it and it will last you forever. And that is what you want, especially for something that you know you're going to wear all the time. And I love this necklace so much. I'm just going to take it out so you can see. but it is an 18-inch chain. So beautiful and shiny, very brilliant gold color. I'm so excited to have a quality name necklace. And you know, the holidays are going to be coming up before we know it. This might make a fantastic gift for the ladies on your list. I have saved the blingiest for last. Last piece I'm going to show you is a set. And you know, this box is not quite big enough for it, but it is the Pear pendant necklace and drop earrings fashion beauty set. Here is the necklace. It's silver with all these beautiful pear-shaped white sapphire stones all the way around. And then it comes with a set of earrings that are more on the minimal side, but when you have such a high impact necklace on and you're wearing earrings with it, you know, it's okay for your earrings to be a little bit more subdued, but they go perfectly, see if I can show these, perfectly with that necklace because they have those little pear-shaped going on the bottom. I'm just waiting for quarantine to be over and there to be something fancy to wear this to because this is so extra. It shines like to the gods. It is so brilliant. That looks like something that like an actress would wear on the red carpet at the Oscars, that like they have security guards like 5 feet behind them because it's like, you know, so expensive. But this is actually retails for $169. So for a freaking like fraction of a fraction of the price of real diamonds, you can still get that look. You're not, you know, having to turn into a pumpkin at midnight and give it back, or never affording it, period. So that is what I love about Italo jewelry. You can really get some really high impact, beautiful jewelry that you can wear not only for special occasions, but they also have pieces that you can wear every day, like the name necklace, like this tennis bracelet that's very fancy, but also like I wear this casually all the time with just other bracelets or by itself. Their pieces really do last, and I really love everything they have on their site. If you were to ask me if I approve of Italo jewelry, I definitely do. From the pieces that I've had for a while and these pieces, I'm thoroughly impressed. Make a great gift, like I said. So the holidays are coming up. Maybe something to think about. Make sure that you use my code. It's down in the description box. What do you all think? Have you ever purchased from Italo before or a similar type of company? Would you purchase these sorts of necklaces? Let me know in the comments below. Thank you so much for watching. I hope you all enjoyed this video. Make sure that you give it a thumbs up and hit that subscribe button if you didn't do so already. And I'll see you guys on my next video. Bye.